Welcome back to UbAutoS, the place where we dive deep into the world of cars, from the latest releases to timeless classics. If you're passionate about cars, love hearing honest reviews, and want to stay up to date with everything automotive, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the UbAutoS family. Now, let's get straight into today's video. Today, we're talking about an absolute legend on the roads, the Dodge Challenger. This car isn't just a piece of machinery, it's a symbol of raw power, muscle, and American automotive heritage. For decades, the Challenger has been the go-to muscle car for enthusiasts who crave speed, aggressive design, and an unforgettable driving experience. First impressions matter, and the Dodge Challenger knows how to make one. One look at it, and you're greeted with a bold, retro-inspired design that still manages to feel modern. That wide stance, massive front grille, and those iconic round headlights scream muscle car from every angle. The long hood and short rear deck give it that classic silhouette, staying true to its 70s roots. But Dodge didn't just stick to nostalgia. The subtle modern touches like LED daytime running lights and sharp body lines make it just as relevant today as it was when it first hit the streets. Under the hood is where the real magic happens. The Challenger offers a variety of engine options, so whether you're a casual driver or a hardcore speed junkie, there's something for everyone. The base model starts with a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, producing a respectable 303 horsepower. But let's be honest, if you're buying a Challenger, you're probably eyeing one of the V8 options. The 5.7-liter Hemi V8 cranks out 375 horsepower, while the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 ups the game to 485 horsepower. But the real beast in the lineup, that would be the supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 found in the Hellcat and Redeye models, producing up to a jaw-dropping 797 horsepower in the Hellcat Redeye version. That's the kind of power that pins you to your seat and makes every drive an adrenaline rush. Speaking of driving, the Challenger offers a unique experience compared to its rivals like the Ford Mustang or Chevrolet Camaro. While those cars focus more on agility and handling, the Challenger embraces its size and weight, delivering a more planted and powerful ride. It's not the sharpest in the corners, but that's not what this car is about. It's about straight-line speed, thunderous exhaust notes, and pure muscle car attitude. Inside, the Challenger might surprise you with its comfort and tech features. Unlike many muscle cars, it offers a spacious cabin that comfortably seats 4 adults. The materials used feel solid, and Dodge has done a good job mixing retro vibes with modern technology. You get a Uconnect infotainment system, which is one of the best in the business, with a responsive touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto support. The available Harman Kardon audio system is another highlight, pumping out crystal clear sound with serious volume. But what's really cool about the interior is the driver-focused design. The controls are easy to reach, and everything feels built around delivering a great driving experience. There are also plenty of customization options, from different trim materials to performance seats designed to keep you firmly in place during spirited drives. Now, let's talk about performance features. The Challenger offers launch control, line lock, and performance pages, which allow you to monitor things like G-forces, lap times, and engine performance in real time. There's even a customizable drive mode system, letting you adjust the engine response, steering feel, and suspension settings to match your driving style. Safety isn't ignored either. Modern Challengers come equipped with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and forward collision warning. While muscle cars aren't typically known for their safety tech, Dodge has made sure the Challenger keeps up with the times. Fuel economy, as expected, isn't the Challenger's strong suit, especially if you're going for one of the V8 engines. The V6 offers better mileage, around 19 miles per gallon in the city and 30 on the highway. But let's be honest, if fuel efficiency is your top priority, the Challenger probably isn't the car for you. This car is all about power, performance, and presence. One thing that often gets overlooked is practicality. Unlike many other muscle cars, the Challenger offers a surprisingly large trunk with 16.2 cubic feet of space. That's more than enough for a weekend getaway or even daily errands. Plus, the rear seats fold down to give you even more space when needed. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the Challenger's size and weight. It's a big car, and you feel that when you're driving. It doesn't handle as sharply as a Mustang or a Camaro, but that's part of the charm. It's unapologetically large, and that translates to a comfortable ride with plenty of room inside. If you're someone who values space and comfort as much as performance, the Challenger has a serious edge over its competition. When it comes to pricing, the Dodge Challenger starts at around $32,000 for the base SXT model, but prices can climb quickly as you move up the lineup. The Hellcat models can easily cross the $70,000 mark, and if you're going for a fully loaded Redeye, you might even hit six figures. But for many enthusiasts, every dollar is worth it for the performance and legacy that come with this car. So, who is the Dodge Challenger really for? If you're someone who loves classic muscle car styling, craves that deep V8 rumble, and values straight-line speed over corner-carving precision, this car is made for you. It's not the most modern in terms of design or tech, but that's not why people buy Challengers. They buy them for the experience, the feeling of driving something that's both a piece of history and a modern-day powerhouse. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some pros and cons. The pros: classic muscle car design, incredible engine lineup, especially the Hellcat variants, spacious interior and trunk, user-friendly infotainment system. The cons: heavy and not as agile as its competitors. Fuel economy isn't great, especially with the V8s. Can get expensive with higher trims and options. All things considered, the Dodge Challenger is a car that refuses to follow trends. It sticks to its roots while offering enough modern touches to stay relevant. It's a car that offers nostalgia and raw power in a package that's hard to ignore. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want more car reviews, specs, and in-depth features, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to UbAutoS, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay fast, stay passionate.